see, we're at one of the old forts. Used to be in the paintball era, as it's the woods. So you can still kind of see it and stuff. Pretty cool. Whenever I build my fort, I'm probably gonna use some of the wood. For my base. And there's my book bag and stuff. So basically, last time I was down here was like in the summer though. So I don't know if any of my tools are still working. I actually haven't checked them since summer either. No, I haven't checked them since spring, so it's been like a year. Yeah, I used some rocks and I like formed them into like arrowheads. And I split some sticks and like shoved the rocks in heat. And there should be, yeah, there's a hole in the stump where I would keep them. Oh wait, you can actually see one. Wait, can you see that? Yeah, it's right there. Let me get one. We're at this lake since our old spear got kind of moldy. We can't use it anymore. I made this new one. Pretty cool. Still waiting for them not to dry. Stuff like that. I haven't done too much with the fort yet. As you can see, I nailed these two pieces of boards onto the fort. I don't know if it's going to do too much. It's not that good yet. They're kind of rotting. Found them in the woods. Who knows how long they've been in there, but put my stick to, oh, I got them so. Sorry about the distraction. But here's the fort now. Kind of just making this video for like later whenever the fort might be finished or something. Also, there's a bike up there. Isn't that neat? Well, you know, I just gotta put my logo on there. Show my ownership. Control. I'll be back. Double back. Found one of our huts. Let's go check it out. Yo, we at Nathan's sleepover, cuh. We at Nathan's sleepover, cuh. currently in his room. I don't know what the time is. We're going battle gauge mode. Fucking me. Okay. Locked and loaded. Oh, wait, oh. Should be at Nathan's house. That girl. At Nathan's house. Girl, get out of here! I said get out of here!
Can I be in a YouTube video?
No! Turn the lights on. Go in dark mode.
Can I be?
Yo, it's my birthday. Number 14. Bro. I'm a troll. I'll get back. Found one of our huts. Let's go check it out. Yo, it's my birthday. Number 14. Bro.
Oh. Alright, I'm gonna sort out my candy that I can't eat for you guys.
It's good. I like it.
Is it white?
Yeah, it's a white wine.
It's a big Aldi's. Does Aldi's even have it selling here?
Right. But this time, I intend to find some real haunted houses for my viewers. Gee, it's too bad the rest of the old gang won't be along for the ride.
They've got us surrounded. We need to fight back. Go ahead. Clear. Hey, it's you. You're finally awake. Ready for mission 2. Wait.
I'm the actor. You tell me action.
Okay. I think it's good.
Tell me action.
Go.
Okay. Ready? Do another one.
Wait, I gotta see if I can. I'm gonna zoom up on your face.
That was great that she got this place.
Oh wow, it fits.
My gloves are kind of weird.
Wait, you said we have a glue gun, right?
Yeah, we have a glue gun.
Oh wait, never mind. I know where it is. Do I need a glue gun for this one? Hashtag. Oh.
Let's
What
see
do you
it.
want her to do?
Let's
Fish
see
through
it.
all
Give me
those
the close
things
shot. Let's see the pumpkin.
Is yarn gonna be strong enough?
Yeah.
Mommy,
Let's
That's
see.
what my thought was.
Mommy, I'm excited to carve my pumpkin.
Yeah.
Be like that camera
I'm filming the
guy
pumpkin.
in Better Call Saul.
Oh, going out. Gangnam style.
Dessert? It's a dessert. Let's see.
I didn't want to do.
Movies on those.
Yeah, you did.
Yeah.
Eh. Oh, what are they building here? What? This is historical. One day, that's gonna be there. Here we go. Watch out. On my bike, like that's where I would be heading whenever I come down.
I did not put it together right.
Son of a gun out here.
Filming a documentary, Ice Skating 101. We're here with Slake Jagel. What do you have to say, Slake Jagel?
So basically, my teacher.
What the fuck is up, YouTube?
Subscribe to my YouTube channel.
Yeah.
Subscribe to my YouTube channel, The Real Gangsters. Stop
I
the
bet.
Bling.
What is it?
The Real Gangsters Stop the Bling. It's so good. It's like,
That sounds pretty fucking gay.
no, it's not. It's so funny.
What do you guys do on it? I'll sub.
It's like okay.
Good job. You the next Mr. Beast?
Yeah. So the next Mr. Beast.
I want to go out.
You want to get 6 shots of what's skating? We can shred ice right into your camera.
Yeah, that
You
would
wanna
be
do it?
sick, man.
Alright, bet. Let's go then. Come on. Let's go, dude. Let's go, dude.
It's gonna be like jet less.
Wait, go, gang.
Son of a gun out here.
Filming a documentary, Ice Skating 101. We're here with Slake Jagel. What do you have to say, Slake Jagel?
So basically, my teacher.
What the fuck is up, YouTube?
Subscribe to my YouTube channel.
Yeah.
Subscribe to my YouTube channel, The Real Gangsters. Stop
I
the
bet.
Bling.
What is it?
The Real Gangsters Stop the Bling. It's so good. It's like,
That sounds pretty fucking gay.
no, it's not. It's so funny.
What do you guys do on it? I'll sub.
It's like okay.
Good job. You the next Mr. Beast?
Yeah. So the next Mr. Beast.
I want to go out.
You want to get 6 shots of what's skating? We can shred ice right into your camera.
Yeah, that
You
would be
wanna do
sick,
it?
man.
Alright, bet. Let's go, man. Come on. Let's go, dude. Let's go, dude.
It's gonna be like jet less.
Wait, go, gang.
Big cribs. This is my household. And I got the beautiful scenery. I'm Adam Sandler. Welcome back to Turtle Drama Round.
Yeah. Yeah, that's cool. She looks like a little thing on Jessica's fridge.
Wait till they're like 6 now.
Over by where the band is. Oh, I see it.
He's here. He's looking over this way. Sure you get it.
Okay, sorry. Wait. skinwalker in real life. Caught one. They're getting away. Getting away. Oh, you got you. Oh, you got you.
I'll try it again. I'll try throwing running. Start.
Stick.
How do I turn the light on?
There should be like a button right here. This one. Wait, not to turn on. There we go. Does it? Did you start?
And
Okay.
I ended it. Now I want to do another video. You can do one. You can do one more. And then.
Wait. Which one is? Wait. Where's the light at? Okay. So the light's on. Did you start? Oh, we out.